Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking in on gold daily and weekly time frame. Losing the 10-day moving average support of 1283, and that break of 1280 was the bearish signal. Holding it for 5 days, and once it broke, we saw a dump, increase in bearish volume. Now we're looking at 1270 psychological support. The actual low was 1268, and then 1258.74 is the 50-day moving average. So the bears are in short-term control now since 1280 was broken. The weekly time frame is a bearish reversal doji after the upper wick of last week was rejected from key 200-week resistance. 3 trading days left to go, so this pattern is likely to change, but just want to be aware that that key loss of support is a setback for the bulls. So let's look at this chart. 1280, this is the 4-hour chart, and look at the big red candlestick in response to that key support being lost. So lots of traders well aware of that key 1280 support. Let's zoom in a little bit. This is why drawing on your charts helps. 15-minute chart after that dump, this is a bear flag. When you see support and resistance parallel against the trend, short-term relief of an oversold drop, and then continuation to the downside and new lows. So that's a perfect example of a bear flag. Then I zoomed in on the 5-minute chart, watching this tightening pattern that occurred. We did get a bullish break and we trended up slightly. Couldn't break the high, so still lower high pattern forming. And then once this uptrend support line was lost, look at that emphatic follow through by the bears. So 2 examples, one on the daily and hourly with the break of 1280 and one on the 5-minute. Key support being broken is met with lots of downside as lots of people are aware of these key support levels. So we're trying to establish this base at 1267 now, and you can see 1267 was the level to pick out for support. If you look at this 4-hour chart and try to find a low of previous consolidation, these lows that we stair-stepped up are now support. So we were looking at 1275, we broke it. Back here, 1267. So that's why it's currently holding up, because it held up back here on June 10th. If it breaks, down to the next consolidation low of 1259. So that's what we're looking at for gold. Bears are in control. Need to see higher highs form on this 5-minute chart, first things first, and that's going to require a break above 1274 to see that happen. So we'll keep checking back in on gold. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.